Everything here you probably already have at home. Milk, food coloring, and a dish soap of some kind. So the science experiment has to do with the fat that's in the milk, so you can't use skim milk. It has to have some kind of fat. Let's get it ready for the science experiment. Drop colors in there. Don't stir it up. You want it to stay still. Here comes the science part. You're going to put a little bit of dish soap on your finger. You're going to touch your finger to the surface of the milk. Watch what happens when the fat interacts with the soap.